Hi guys, welcome once again to our channel. In the course of this video, we are going to learn how we can go about our pixel mining, the Pixelverse airdrop. So let's get started. Remember to like, share and subscribe to our channel and turn on your notification icon too. Click the notification icon too. Let's get right on to it. So we'll click the link and it takes us to Telegram. It launches, says start, and I'll get started with the bot. Now remember, we will not just start tapping, we will try as much as possible to engage or to finish the task, accomplish the task that is there, so that we can earn rewards. So the task has been given. These are things that we need to do and the instructions we need to follow. So these are the tasks therein. Follow, join on Telegram channel. So to earn 30,000 points, I'll join. Go back to my, I'll start that. So because I've joined, it ticks that. So as you accomplish all of these tasks, you get them tick and move to the next. So we'll go to the next point, the next tab. This tab will invite friends. We can get our referral links here and share it with our friends. Just copy, then share with friends. Then at this point, this is where the pets will have to struggle or interact to end points. This is where the tapping is. So we'll be tapping where the circle is. Wherever the circle is, that's where we are tapping. Wherever the circle is, pick the area of super attack. This point. So we need to tap very fast, and we either lose or we'll win. So because I wasn't really fast with the tapping, I guess I'm going to lose this. So a defeat, and I lost 1,000. It's not actually compulsory that we'll do this. If you like, you can. So I exit that part and I'll come to this part. This is another very sweet part in the pixel mining. We'll come to claim our daily rewards. Then we'll also go and get our daily combo. For today, the daily combo are random pets. We need to merge 4 of them to get this worth of coins or worth of points. For today's combo, we'll have this pet, this pet, this pet, and this pet. Now we are going to check to confirm if it's actually right. Yes, it's right. So we got that 35% complete. Oh, we missed one. We missed one. I was telling me 55% complete. I think I mixed up that. Okay, we'll claim. So we'll come back tomorrow to do the next one. So that's about how we can go about mining the Pixelverse. Now there's one other thing we need to do. We need to connect our deposit address. We'll come here, we'll choose the wallet. It says connect wallet. Where do you want your tokens when it's launched to be deposited? So I want that Bybit, just for a demonstration. Do you have a Bybit account? Yes, I have. No, create an account. So if you don't have, you can create an account here, but if you do, you can link, you can type yes I have. So it's telling me I should write my deposit address for ERC token. My USDT ERC 20 chain is what I'm going to write here. So I'll go to my Bybit I go to my Bybit now. I would go to my deposits, my assets. I'll go to my deposit crypto, deposit USDT. Now in the USDT, there are different chains, smart chains that one can deposit money. This is another video entirely we have to do, but just for this video we are looking for ERC20. Remember, it was ERC20 the app was requesting, so we'll click ERC20. You can always read those notifications that comes up. Then this is the address that we're looking for, so I'm going to copy it, then I'll go to Telegram and paste it here. So after pasting, I will confirm that it's true. So this is just for the demonstration, and that's all that we need to get, or that's all we need to do in the Pixelverse. Hope the video helped, and remember to like, subscribe, and share all of our content. Thank you so much. Keep watching.